Amy L. Chua, is an American lawyer, writer, and legal scholar. She is the John M. Duff Jr. Professor of Law at Yale Law School. She joined the Yale faculty in 2001 after teaching at Duke Law School for 7 years. Prior to starting her teaching career, she was a corporate law associate at Cleary, Gottlieb, Steen and Hamilton. She specializes in the study of international business transactions, law and development, ethnic conflict, and globalization and the law, and is noted for her parenting memoir, Battle Hymn of the Tiger Mother. In 2011, she was named one of Time magazine unregistered trademark's 100 most influential people, one of the Atlantic Monthly unregistered trademark's brave thinkers, and one of Foreign Policy unregistered trademark's global thinkers. Biography. Early life. Chua was born in Champaign, Illinois, to ethnic Chinese from the Philippines of Hokklo parents who raised her in the Hokkien dialect of Fujian, China. Her father, Leon Chua, is an electrical engineering and computer sciences professor at the University of California, Berkeley, and is a writer on nonlinear circuit theory and cellular neural networks, and is the discoverer of the memristor. His ancestral hometown is Kansha, Fujian. Chua's mother was born in China in 1936, before relocating to the Philippines at the age of 2. She subsequently converted to Catholicism in high school and graduated from the University of Santo Tomas, with a degree in chemical engineering, magna cum laude. Chua's parents lived in the Philippines during the Japanese occupation in World War II and were liberated by General Douglas MacArthur and his troops. Amy was raised as a Roman Catholic and lived in West Lafayette, Indiana. When she was 8 years old, her family moved to Berkeley, California. Chua described herself as the ugly kid in school. She was teased in school for her accent and her donning of glasses and braces, and she received racial slurs from several classmates. Chua went to El Cerrito High School and graduated magna cum laude with an A.B. in economics from Harvard College in 1984, where she was named an Elizabeth Cary Agassiz Scholar and a John Harvard Scholar. She obtained her J.D. cum laude in 1987 from Harvard Law School, where she was the first Asian American officer of the Harvard Law Review, serving as executive editor. After law school, Chua clerked for Chief Judge Patricia M. Ward on the United States Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit, Washington, D.C. Books. Chua has written 4 books, 2 studies of international affairs, a memoir, and her most recent on ethnic Euroculture and its correlation with socio-economic success within the United States. Her first book, World on Fire, How Exporting Free Market Democracy Breeds Ethnic Hatred and Global Instability, explores the ethnic conflict caused in many societies by disproportionate economic and political influence of market-dominant minorities, and the resulting resentment in the less affluent majority. World on Fire, which was a New York Times bestseller, selected by The Economist as one of the best books of 2003, and named by Tony Giddens in The Guardian as one of the top political reads of 2003, examines how globalization and democratization since 1989 have affected the relationship between market-dominant minorities and the wider population. Her second book, Day of Empire, How Hyperpowers Rise to Global Dominance and Why They Fall, examines 7 major empires and posits that their success depended on their tolerance of minorities. Her third book, Battle Hymn of the Tiger Mother, published in January 2011, is a memoir about her journey in the strict Confucianist child-rearing parenting techniques, which he describes as being typical for Chinese immigrant parents. The book was a runaway international bestseller in the US, Korea, Poland, Israel, Germany, UK, and China, and has been translated into 30 languages. The book also received a huge backlash and media attention and ignited global debate about different parenting techniques and cultural attitudes that foster such techniques. Furthermore, the book provoked uproar after the release, where Chua received death threats, racial slurs, and calls for her arrest on child abuse charges. Her latest book, The Triple Package, How 3 Unlikely Traits Explain the Rise and Fall of Cultural Groups in America, was published on February 4, 2014. the book received mixed reviews because of what purport to be cultural stereotyping. Personal life. Chua lives in New Haven, Connecticut, and is married to Yale Law School professor Jed Rubenfeld. She has 2 daughters, Sophia and Louisa. Louisa currently attends Harvard College, while Sophia graduated in 2015. Chua, whose husband is Jewish, has stated that her children can speak Mandarin Chinese, and they have been raised Jewish. She is the eldest of 4 sisters, Michelle, Katrin, and Cynthia. Katrin is a physician and a professor at Stanford University School of Medicine. Cynthia, who has Down syndrome, holds 2 International Special Olympics gold medals in swimming. Bibliography: World on Fire, How Exporting Free Market Democracy Breeds Ethnic Hatred and Global Instability. 2002. Doubleday. ISBN 978-0385512848, Day of Empire, How Hyperpowers Rise to Global Dominance Euro, and Why They Fall 2009. Anchor. ISBN 978-14000777410, Battle Hymn of the Tiger Mother. 2011. Penguin Books. ISBN 978-0143120582, The Triple Package, How 3 Unlikely Traits Explain the Rise and Fall of Cultural Groups in America 2014. Penguin Books. ISBN 978-1594205,460. References. External links, Official website, Yale Law School Profile, Lee Bureau Speaker Profile, Appearances on C-SPAN, Booknotes Interview with Chua on World on Fire, February 9, 2003.